Come on, Kate. You look lovely.
I got boogers, so
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
I need to pick them out.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Dance Geek. I'm Claire, but you probably already knew that. Definitely in a different setup today. This is my hallway. Anyway, I am joined by a special guest today. You know her as my co-host for Secret Life of Teens, but today she's just here as a dancer. Please give it up for Kaysha! Bet you didn't know she was going to jump up into the frame. We're so clever. Thank you for being here today, Kaysha.
That's alright. I just had to, move all my homework out the way.
I know. She's a high school girl now, as you will have seen in our first episode of season 2 of Secret Life of Tweens, Teens, Tweens, Teens, Tweens, Teens. Go and watch it. Link up here.
Somewhere.
Don't remember where I put. No, actually you can't. You can't see it because that episode didn't work. We filmed it straight after we filmed this one, and the footage was corrupt. I got maybe the base of this makeup look that I did on Kaysha. Insert here. I posted this photo on Instagram. I was so happy with the look. I was happy with the content. We talked about some amazing things. Basically, Kaysha and I solved all the problems of the world in that footage, and the footage is corrupt. So the episode doesn't work. So you're just going to have to wait for us to get time to refilm it. But as you can see, hopefully, we have a whole bunch of costumes here. Because what's going on today, Kate? What are we doing?
Trying on our old costumes.
Yes. I don't think I could say it without laughing either. Trying on our old dance costumes. That is what today's video is. And these are a whole selection of our old dance costumes. Heaps of Kaysha's old dance costumes. Not as many as mine because I'm really old. And so most of my costumes have disintegrated. No, they haven't. We just sold a lot of them. So
I've got more, but
yeah, she's got heaps more.
A few.
Just a few. Just some of the ones. Yeah. So we're gonna attempt to try on dance costumes. I'll be fiddling with my hair the whole way through this because I haven't worn it curly with this cut, but I've actually I posted, did you see on Instagram, I posted this photo, I'll insert it here, of my crazy morning hair because my hair is naturally curly. And I had so many really positive comments about how I should leave my hair curly, and I'm just seriously? I look like a crazy person, so I thought for this video, well, let's just see. But I'm very in. I just, when you're not used to something, so you're just what's going on? What's going on?
Yeah.
Anyway, let's have a look at some costumes. All right, so some of these costumes clearly are not going to fit, and there's no point in trying them on, but we do still want to show them because I actually have my first ever costume. It was from, I did calisthenics. My sisters and I did calisthenics the first year, and then I told my mum I wanted to do real dancing. No shade to calisthenics girls out there. My cousins are all calisthenics girls, love it, but I wanted to go on point. I wanted to do ballet. But my first year doing calisthenics, we did The Ugly Duckling as a song and dance. And that was my costume.
Oh my god.
That wouldn't even fit you.
No, it wouldn't.
That's how big it is. Yeah, I reckon I was about 4 or 5 when I wore this.
So hat on.
It does, yeah, the hood. I'll try the hood on. Yeah, we were all ducklings, and there was one girl who got to be the ugly duckling who turns into a swan, and she got to wear a white tutu and a tiara. I've never been as jealous of anybody in my whole entire life. I was just why does she get to do that? That's the sort of dancing I want to do. And yeah, she didn't do ballet dancing in it. So the beaks were supposed to sit forward, but it was the 80s and all the cool kids wore their hats like that. So we used to do that every time we'd practice in them. And then they got to the point where they wouldn't sit properly, so they all sat down on our faces. So in the video, we're all like this so that we can see.
Well done.
That's me as a duckling. And let's just pretend I'm wearing a costume because that would probably also fit as a hood. Let's get Kaysha's first costume. Which is not your first costume. Your first one was supposed to be I don't want to grow up, but you were too scared to go on stage.
What?
Yeah, you were in the tinies class. dragonfly.
Yep.
Kaysha was scared of dragons. The venue was called the Dragonfly, and no, she wasn't having a bar of it. But I don't know where that costume is, so I can't get this.
Neither do I. I don't know where I don't know where half of my costumes are. Like I've got the DVDs. Actually, no, I don't.
I've got the DVDs. I've got a. Oh, it's about to sweat. I've got a bucket load of your DVDs.
Yeah, I need to get them.
This is Kaysha's first comp costume, solo costume, and it was always too big for it.
Yep.
Always. So it doesn't look that small, but this was her second one. So you started off with a tap, and tell everybody what song you danced to.
Bad Romance by Lady Gaga.
Yeah, totally appropriate for a 3-year-old. But it was very cute. And this one is attached. Don't you hate this? If you've got a fringe costume and a sequin costume, don't hang them next to each other.
Because they get all like this.
So this was your first jazz, which basically happened 3 months after this. But that's like what size
but
she
then
was.
we did the same, and then at the same time the comp we did another one where it was just this and this as well.
Yeah, but this was always too big. So on Kaysha, whilst this is supposed to be a tiny little skirt, it always looked like a full tutu on her because it was just so big, and it was so funny and so cute. But this was, what did you do? You did hairspray?
I did hairspray and high five.
Oh, that's right. It was a mix for your jazz. That was cute.
I need to say something about this costume.
Yeah, say things.
I remember at the studio, and I was doing a dance, and then somebody called me in, and I had to go to Auntie Claire, and she's like, okay, so she was on the computer, just sitting at the desk. She goes, Kaysha, what type of costume do you want? She goes, this one, this one, this one. I go, that one. She goes, okay, what colour? I go, and it was like pink, blue, and a couple other colours. And I picked the blue one. Ouch, that's my fingers. I picked the blue one, and she goes, well done, I thought you were going to pick pink. I think you need to choose something else pink for a change.
Something other
and
than
I walk
pink.
off like this.
Yeah, well,
I
because
remember that.
you and I both obsessively loved pink back. You're not a pink girl anymore, are you?
I'm a yellow one.
I'm still a pink girl. Oh, you could wear this.
I'm a yellow one.
You're a yellow one. You can try this one on. No.
Yeah.
I would like to see you try this on.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna like break it.
Nah, you
I
won't.
remember when I had the gloves.
And you had the gloves and everything. It was so spectacular. I reckon that should be the first one you try on because it was always too big. So let's have a look at it too small. Now, we are actually going to wear leggings and like a
small.
We are going to wear leggings and leotards for the costumes that we know are not going to be we're not going to fit into because
This is going to be a nice hat.
Okay, so Kaysha is in my bedroom.
I can't get it on.
Just do your best. She's got it past her ankles. Yay! Well done. Just do your best and then do the catwalk. Just do your best, darling. Go for it.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop.
Oh, waddling away. It's gorgeous.
I have to choose one for Auntie Claire. Well, Dance Geek Claire. So, what's this?
That was a tap troupe. That was my tap solo, which my mum... No, we're not wearing that one. That tap solo costume, bring it out. I love this costume. My mum told me she had to make the most spectacular costume she's ever made because my tapping's really bad and we had to distract people.
Well then, how about
I try that one?
this one?
Okay.
Okay, so my auntie...
Claire.
Okay, so Claire is trying to put on her costume and
Alright.
it does it's a sight.
Let's see how many sequins
Okay.
pop off this while I...
Let's like
Oh! Oh! It's gotten past my butt! Well, not past my butt. It's
like on
my butt.
her butt.
And I'm wearing mermaid leggings still. Hang on. I'm going to take my top off.
It's
Take my
coming
top
along.
off. Don't film me. I'm topless.
Okay, sure.
Oh!
Whatever. Ooh. coming along. It's coming along.
My boobs don't fit.
Okay. Everybody needs to know that.
Well, your boobs get bigger. All right. Yep. This is,
Ooh, it's gonna
this is
fit.
as far as it's going. It's an off.
Lovely.
Should I tap?
No.
Was that shade of my tap dancing ability?
Yes.
I'm so excited that I actually got this costume on. Like, this is ridiculous. I was about a size 10, but when I wore this, but I do love this costume. But they're keeping it wet at the moment, doesn't it? So I'll stop on wearing it.
Yep.
I'll stop.
Whatever that is.
So Kaysha, I'm going to get you to tell us about one of the costumes.
Yeah.
So, you know which one, it's right there.
Which one?
The pink and white gingham, the cute little farm girl. Tell us.
Doodle.
Doodle, the doodle costume. Now, why do I call this the doodle costume?
Because this song was Guys and Dolls, and it said doodle, 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 doodle.
Yeah, so it was
That's-
Bushel and a
yeah.
Peck from the musical Guys and Dolls, and you were so flipping cute.
I used to love this costume. I used
It's
to wear it all
beautiful.
the time.
Well, let's see if you can wear it now.
Huge. I used to think it was like huge. This is like.
Yeah,
I
it's
don't
not
even know
cute.
what it is.
It's tiny. It's tiny. Doodle-doodle-doodle, doodle-doodle-doodle, doodle-doodle-doodle. Off you go. All right, here she is, straight from the farm. Miss Kaysha Lee Bartlett. Go on, doodle-doodle for us. Doodle-doodle-doodle. Oh, dude. So, last one. Which one are you going to pick, Kaysh? Can't decide. Either one.
To talk about, I'm going to choose this one.
Yay! Christmas JoJo. Tell us about that one.
Okay, so I was in this, what would you call it, production thing, would you go?
Yeah. It was our interview concert, but we did them as full scripted productions.
And dancing, and la 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 la, and oh my gosh, acting.
Lots of drama.
So I was JoJo. I was Cindy Lou Who in Dr. Zeus's friend, Cindy, and I was like I had an acting role. This was like the Christmas version of the JoJo costume. I had like another costume.
Because Act 2 was all Christmas.
Act 3 was Christmas.
Yes, that's right. You remember these things more than I.
Yeah,
I wrote it
know.
and you remember it better than me. Do you want to try that one on or?
Sure. Oh my god.
Go try it on. I love that costume.
Okay. What is that?
Oh, it's on her bum. Yay. Did you get it any further?
No! Wait, let me try.
Give it another go. In the meantime, I am going to try on this because I know it fits. This was a open age tap costume and we wore it with black sequin pants, and I love it. Look, it's got music notes on the background, on the back.
That was a bag.
I love it. You thought it was a bag? No, it's a jacket. It's a lovely, lovely jacket. And this was when I was at Michelle Slater, and I also wore it to host my best friend's Roaring 20s Hens Night, which was last year. So I know this fits me. So I'm going to put that on. We don't fit in the frame together, Kaysha. We don't fit into these costumes, and we don't fit in the frame together.
We don't fit in anything. There we go.
God, how far down I have to squat. You're so little.
It's so big.
You're so big. I was saying how, and I fit this jacket. It still fits me. No. I have really, since October last year. My arms have clearly gotten big because this is barely going on. So Kaysha and I both can stand here.
Well, 5 years ago, I think I've grown within 5 years.
I think you have grown in 5 years. Oh, I look like Quasimodo, Hunchback of Notre Dame. And on that note,
Oh my god. My arms don't move.
no, neither do mine. On that note, we're going to have to finish up because I can't stand in this position for very long. Thank you for watching us make idiots of ourselves. This was actually lots of fun though. It was a lovely little trip down memory lane. I can't wear this jacket anymore. Oh my
I
god.
have to take this off.
But thank you for watching, and thank you to, I can't remember off the top of my head the names of the people that did this video that I got inspired by first, but I will link them down below because theirs are really funny. And yeah, loved watching those. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed watching Kaysha and I put costumes on that only fitted to our knees, and hit the thumbs down if you didn't like it, because YouTube sees it the same way analytically, so I don't care, and you're entitled to your own opinion.
And also, comment down below if you hate runny noses.
Yes, you think I'm going to hate that when I'm editing it. It's going to be me editing, sitting there going, stop sniffing! Stop sniffing, Kaysha! Yeah. In fact, Kaysha's sniffing was so bad that I had to edit out an entire costume try-on because it was unusable. It was gross. So thank you to Kaysha for doing this video with me, even though she wasn't feeling very well. But next time, get a tissue. You should just put tissues up your nose to plug it.
I do.
It's gross, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My keyboard teacher told me that.
Thanks, Kaysha. Random facts from Kaysha. Awesome. I'm bending over and it hurts, so we're going now. Hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Love yous. Bye.
Oh, I can't move.
Bye.
Bye.